What's going on YouTube? And this is hopefully the final episode in this series of getting the A8 engine running. We've done all the hard work, we've done all the lifters, all the timing, we've checked the chain, we've put the cylinder heads back on. It's time to see if I know anything at all about putting an engine together. It's startup time. Let's get it.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear.
So it's injector time. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah, you can. They are disgusting. So I'm going to soak them in some brake cleaner. That's the one I'm looking for. And clean them up and get them a little bit nicer. All the seals and things were replaced last year because I had an issue. So just need to clean them up. And yeah, catch me back.
Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
So you join me a couple of hours later. We've managed to get the injectors in, all the fuel rails, just tightened up the sump, and we are about to fill it up with oil and just need to get ECUs plugged all back in. I'm going to see if we can start it, run it for 5-10 seconds just to see if it will turn over. Let's go. So this is the part of the video where I show you the engine running. Yeah, that didn't happen. Basically, got the oil in, got the glow plugs in, got all the injectors wired up, everything ready to go. Just literally about to start the car, but we said we'll crank it a couple of times first. Cranked it, I cranked it, no problem. Then it got to the friend of mine, he then cranked it, didn't want to go, it kind of seized, and then he rotated the crank the wrong way, so he f***ed up the timing, and here we are now again. So I take the engine back out, so I start again tomorrow. I'm going to strip down the engine again, find out why it seized, correct the timing. To do that, I need to take off the gearbox again, take off the fuel pump, take off the fuel pulley, take off the air pump, take off all of the rear covers, readjust the timing, find out why it seized, and put it back in the car. So hopefully next week's video is going to be the car starting. This week's video, yeah, fair play to any mechanics, because honestly I could not do this every day. Absolute nightmare.